today's video, we will be replacing the tires on our CRF450L and RL. We'll be getting rid of the stock tires and putting some new ones on, and we'll take them out and get them muddy and see how they do. We will be replacing the rear tire with a Dunlop D606, and on the front we're going to put on a Pirelli MT21. Stock tires were fine for pavement and hard packed dirt, but in the mud and sand and gravel, anything loose, they were not good at all. No traction, they're pretty terrible. And we have about 1,400 miles on our stock tires now, so it's time for them to go and time for some new rubber.
Alright, Dad, get out the way. It's time to show the people what they came all this way to see. A little high speed, high octane, blazing fast, one wheel, leg flailing motorcycle excitement. So we take off. We got an excellent route planned for today. Test the tires out, a little hard top, a little gravel, a little mud, some trail riding, a little bit of everything. So we'll blast through some of the gravel roads to get out to where we're heading today, and then immediately start off with this little testy mud section. Look at that roost! You see that? I'm used to watching that stock tire spin on Dad's bike, and there's just not much that comes off of it. So it's nice to see a proper rooster tail finally.
Still flickering on.
Tires are feeling good. I'm feeling confident. Wheelies are coming up easier. So with that little tester out of the way, we're heading off to the main course. We're going to take a gravel road or two to the top of a mountain, and then hit a trail that takes us all the way back down to the bottom. And we need to go this way because we've never done it. We've been told it's pretty steep,
The road, right?
and it could be pretty difficult to get up. So we're going to run it down first and ensure that we can get up it before we try. So we take off down the mountain, and the woods are slick. It's December.
Oh yeah.
It's been raining.
I think I can see the bottom
The
of the
leaves are decaying, so they're hiding all kinds of things underneath, and it's just in general very slippery.
Oh yeah, solid.
We come around a corner. We're almost at the very bottom of the mountain, and we see this.
Yeah.
And without Graham Jarvis enduro skills, we don't see a way around.
Oh yeah, that's not passable.
We'd either have to go through that root ball hole or way down off the mountain. So we turn around, head back, and investigate some different routes. So we find some older roads, head down them, and are met with the same dilemma.
Oh, it's going to be tricky no matter what we do, I think. Yeah.
Blocked by trees, we have very little options left. So we turn around, and all we can do is hope we can crawl back up out of this valley. Now, this doesn't look very steep on GoPro, but it is. And because I'm a little scared, gotta send the big dog up first. So Dad takes off up the hill and just eats it up. Look at it, makes it look easy. Don't know what that was, but it was a little close. Coming down this, I was worried, but the tires are hooking up. So we get about halfway up the hill, and we decide that maybe there's a different path. Maybe we took a wrong turn. Maybe there is a road that isn't blocked. So So we spend a few minutes exploring, looking around here. So back up to the mountain we go. Hold on, Dad! Alright, we make it back out, back up on the main road on top of the ridge. And we have fun. You know, we're not ready for this to end. So we head out the ridge a little further, down another hill, out another couple, over a couple more mountains just to do a little more exploring, get a little more riding in for the day.
How hard could it be?
But of course, we get out to another dead end.
That was a deep one.
Watch old Dad up here. He's feeling frisky, you can tell. Oh yeah, get in there. Legs everywhere. Oh, we're starting to feel confident now. Tires are hooking up. It's time to have some
Hopefully
fun.
not.
If nothing else, at least get muddy. Oh, easy there, big one. That ends our trail riding session for the day, so now we're just hit a couple more roads back to the house. Gotta love West Virginia public roads. Jumping on this one here, just riding up a creek bed. Every now and then you just gotta let her breathe.
Okay, this is after a little bit of woods riding. Wow, what a difference. Much more traction in the mud now. So much more fun to ride. The old stock tires were just sketchy at best.
It still works pretty dang good on the road.
And still pretty good on the highway too. Yeah, so far, so good. So
Alright, well thanks for that brief news update, Dad. Now let's get back to it. We got one more little run in stock for today. We're gonna head up on top of another mountain, up a little trail. See if we can get our legs to flail a little bit more.
almost went that way. Yeah, they do. Don't hit them too hard, that's for sure. They're serious. Oh, stop it.
Well, that's it for us. Thanks for watching, and until next time.